move to the downside. Again, I don't want to predict anything. I just want to remain as unbiased as possible and just, execute what the market is going to give me probability-wise. But today, I feel like it's maybe slightly bullish, but I'm leaning more toward neutral perspective. Go either way, and I feel like that 30 orb is going to be the tell-all for this Monday trading session.
We're 1 minute out, though. Some of the names started to turn a little green there in the last couple seconds, but we'll see how they open. By the way, as these trades go, live trading will happen. Conversations will go on. Conversations will be quiet. They'll be calling out. And the space is about 15 seconds delayed or something like that. So keep that in mind when you guys are trading. But market opening up here any second now.
I'd be careful of this 642 to 644 area. It was a real bad chop area pretty much all week last week. So don't get caught playing into that area because there is a lot of volume in that area as far as volume profile and volume shelves. So be very careful between 642 and 644 today, guys.
I agree. Ding, ding, ding. Market opens. Put a SPY chart there at the top of spaces over the falling wedge breakout pre-market. Obviously, it's playing out right now. It's looking good. But there's three main areas, 642, 644.6, and 646.5. Those are the top, middle, and bottom, essentially, for the SPY chart that I have going into today. It's Monday. Mondays have been relatively, a little bit slower. Might see a good morning move, but not expecting too much. Again, I'm trying to figure out what day is NVIDIA earnings. Anyone know?
Wednesday.
So,
first candle here, not bad. We're getting a couple names ticking up to green.
Things are looking good. Let's go check the
Your
opening.
Tesla turned green.
Tesla 340 is what I'm watching for a possible entry. I want to see it hold. I wish it would have pulled back instead of popped instantly.
Opening tick was negative 533. So.
Go negative 533.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'll put some charts on what's over the weekend. Tesla being one of them, Nike being another one as well.
Love Nike.
I think Nike, no pun intended, I think it's going to be getting a good run here soon. So see if I can get myself some new shoes, if I make some money on some call swings. Watching airlines as well, American Airlines and LUV, Southwest Airlines. Those look good.
Big drop there. Thank you.
Look at Palantir go down.
That was Palantir was actually trying to test Friday to the 50% retrace from the high, all-time high to the sell-off low of last week, and it got caught right at that 50% retrace. So it was looking kind of heavy this morning. And I'm not trading NVIDIA this week. Contracts are triple the price, and you get about a third of the payout. So I personally don't trade them before earnings on the same week.
Oscar is ripping.
Oscar.
Up 5% already. Just legit boom.
Oscar.
Again, over the weekend, well, not over the weekend, Friday, there was news judges paused the ACA cuts. That is only a temporary thing. But again, we talked about ACA being extended. So sooner or later, something of that sort will happen, as both Republicans and Democrats stated they want it, especially Republicans in the fact that it will help them in the midterms. Democrats were 100% for it no matter what.
So there's a gap fill on the daily chart for Oscar. It is at the top of this little range right up here. It gets a little dicey above, $18. But if it does get continuation over top of that, $20, 20.24 is the gap fill.
Yeah, I'm looking at that right now. 20.24. Lift is ripping.
Palantir just dropped 4.5%.
Ooh.
I turned more intel from the swing from a couple weeks ago.
NVIDIA pulling down here as well.
Here's the weakness on NQ. They're failing underneath pre-market low. Underneath this is where it gets really nasty. It could sell off to the previous day orb high 342, but I need a CBC confirmation.
BMNR. Or don't be at the open. Pounds here just straight down to previous day low.
Yeah, we've been kind of talking about Palantir shorts for a while here. It looks pretty bad. I think that Palantir immediately 147.50, target one. And then obviously low a day from, what is that, Wednesday last week?
Previous week low, I had around like 142.3 something, I believe.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't hold the runner for 1,000% last time. Maybe I can do it. Maybe I can do it this time.
Me neither. Sometimes it's okay that I just was dialed into it, but I want the money.
Watch the shmoney.
I will say rolling positions has helped me with that a little bit. I don't know if net I've made more money on it, but but it's easier for me to take that profit and still hold the position and just roll up a little.
Yeah.
Okay, so IWM looking weaker, getting a dip. I mean, everything ran so much, on Friday. So you always got to remember that as well. We do need a little. Pullback in.
EMA risk.
But I agree overall.
Okay.
Also, on the Apple, history says they're going to be announcing when the iPhone event is going to be this week. The event should be on September 8th. I think we're going to get a 2-week run up here heading into the event. Probably going to dump off after it. So if Apple's at 240 going on September 8th, we'll see. Let's see if it happens. Well, let's say I am in 240, 919 calls.
Are you buying the new iPhone?
I actually think I am going to. Not because it's a better thing, just because I kind of want a new phone at this point.
Apple's literally today bouncing off 50% retrace from that low to the high of 223.81 up through that 229 that we kind of popped last week, Thursday and Friday. So, like 226.40, we really want to hold that area, or I would definitely not be in the sandbox with calls. Full flag too. And Tesla 340 is my my trigger level I'm looking at. Unity's flagging up really nice too. Only a 1% pullback. It does look kind of bearish here though, but for runners, I still like my runners. So.
Wow, Roblox is ripping.
You mean for the last a year, Roblox has been what an insane.
Yeah, it's up 7% this morning.
Unbelievable.
Did they get news on anything there? How can I see now? No, I know. Roblox has been on a tear for literally the last year. You are correct.
If you bought red, sell some green here off the 10-minute.
Nice, man.
A new high of day to scale.
Who's buying open $10 calls right now? For this week. This stock is at $5. Who's buying these? They just had three orders. They just had 3 orders come through back to back to back. They just bought 1,000 size 3 times in a row.
5-point gain
12 cents,
ES sold
14
half.
cents. That's insane. Let's go check the unusual flow so far this morning.
I'm just waiting to see initial breakout or breakdown here, and then I'll start playing.
IWM catching a nice candle spike. Ohio has a great long right there.
Yep, Maple killed it.
Better buy those red candles.
Hey,
VWAP break though, so a trailing stop loss should be set here just to ensure profit.
When I'm like bullish for a scalp the first 10 minutes, I pray for a couple red candles right when the market opens first.
Holy
I
shit!
pop instant.
I missed it. Nike.
Tesla. Smack back down to the open here.
Yeah.
Any of you guys still trade Carvana at all?
I never really
I
did.
used to.
Today's interesting at all times.
Looking at the 2-hour chart, like I see the 2-hour EMA's crossed. This open is the retest of the 9 and 20 EMA. If they hold this, I think that we could see a higher high over the previous day high of 646.48. But again, I need to see pre-market low maintained today. It's fine.
I see Frank. I see Sam Solid. Not sure if you guys are on stage.
Wondering if
Nike-
they maintain VWAP for the short. My bad.
You good. The swing trade I alerted, I think it was Wednesday afternoon spaces. We bought January and September. The power hour. Those are 40% on the Septembers, 25% on the Januaries. I trimmed both. Even though I think the real move, like everybody was saying, comes after 80. But just trimming a little up, shoring it up.
What stock was that?
Nike.
Gotcha. I wonder if Bill Ackman still had those calls. I didn't actually check. Knots, you see that Oscar this morning?
Oh, yes.
That's right, baby.
Oh, yes.
Trimming my apple here, guys. Trimming my apple.
Nice.
55 cents to 67 cents.
Oh, Netflix is on a tear. $20 pop to start the day.
I can't lie. I was watching the Apple. I wanted to put in on the 919s that I was on, the 230 call I was looking at. I put an offer and it went up like $1 on me. So I can confirm that move did happen. Apple might be going green here. I didn't get it. I didn't get the fill.
Dang, that sucks. It had a nice pop right there. That's the second time Tesla was rejected at 340. If we start to dip below like 332, we could get bearish. We're back on that wedge we've been in forever on the daily. So if we get rejection here,
To get above, but really needs to hold like that.
Yep.
Yeah, like 332 down to 330. If it breaks underneath that, it's going to be a failed move and could get a little bit lower. NVO popping up right here. Talked about this one on Friday. Thursday
NVO's
as
been
well.
nice.
A really big move. That thing is still pumping.
Yep. NVO has been nice.
That weekly chart was just beautiful. The $10 pop.
Yep.
Be right back.
I'm waiting to see us break out or break down. Which way do we want to go?
Palantir 150 puts for this Friday just came in, multiple orders.
Oh, Apple, let's freaking go.
Red to green,
Down to
bang.
runners.
Ooh.
Yeah, it is.
At about 30% there. I've got 5 left, guys.
Okay, we're breaking down here on NQ.
Yeah, super weak now. I mean, I feel like this VWAP is just too strong here for the buyers. Ideally, we need a break and base above it, but we're not even getting a single close above it. I don't want to hit some Hero Zero puts.
And we're getting near lows. This is where I want to start to trade.
640 put Hero Zero. Break even stop loss hit on ES.
Yeah, I don't like, I'm just going to reiterate, guys, SPY between 642 and 644 was chop all week last week as well, unless you're scalping. Just a couple minutes in and out. This is not a range for like a buy and chill type day trade, just a scalp, just like Maple's doing.
Looking at calls on Oxy. Watch Exowagon as well. Both these names look really good on the daily and weekly.
NQ did not make a new low. IWM made a new low. SPY did not make a new low. Nice wick there on NQ. Still no trades yet from me, but I am waiting.
Morning, guys.
Good morning, Frank.
I just
Yeah,
want
what's
to
up, Frank?
the Friday 350s for 260.
Ooh. Wait, what was the name? What was the ticker?
Tesla.
Okay. Tesla.
Right in here, 265, 270. Just want some more. We'll see.
What'd you take on Tesla, Frank?
I bought Friday calls 350s.
Beautiful. Where's Aunt Jemima?
Yo,
Yo, Apple is going up for previous day high.
beautiful.
That was great.
Under 45% right now, just runners left. Stop loss break even.
Alan Sears Tesla
Telling you.
150 stock bubble.
This is a good 2 weeks for Apple heading into the event. Not saying you hold through the event, but
Sell the news.
Seal it.
buy the hype. We're gonna get some hype. Did you see my post yesterday? Apple's, it's like the Bloomberg was saying, for the first time ever, Apple is like reinventing its iPhone lineup over the next 3 years. Basically, the headline. We'll see. But the guy has been a little bit bearish on Apple kind of recently in their innovation. So it's not like he's just an Apple maxi.
I feel like Apple's price action has kind of indicated that they haven't had the greatest innovation in the last couple of years. Like Apple still hasn't broke all-time highs like pretty much every counterpart in mega cap tech. So, you know, I think the price is kind of indicative of that a little bit too.
I mean, like their iPhone 17 is going to be like completely different, right? It's going to be like totally brand new and like not even look the same as the old phones, right? That's innovation.
Oh, nice. I didn't even know that.
No, that's a joke.
That's a
Oh, see? I was like, why did I miss that?
That's a joke.
I mean, I'm definitely an Apple person, not Android, but yeah, I don't even update them anymore until my phone starts to noticeably slow down.
No, the
What's the
innovation
point?
is the price. The innovation is the price of the phone just keeps going up. That's the innovation.
So damn true.
Really mixed market today.
Yeah, I don't even know if I'm going to take a trade today. I'm just watching the bloodbath.
75% on that Apple down to 3.
Frank, what do you think about Apple here?
I think you'll hold it until they make that announcement. I think they're going to come out with some curved glass. They're going to make some changes in the next 3 years. But it's Apple's Apple. I think people hide money there.
Yeah, I do.
At some point it's going to come home to roost, but if they don't innovate more. But I think
I'm personally not talking about the long term here. I'm talking about, seasonality, and we're heading into the hype of an event.
yeah, I would sell it
underperforms. If the market continues to hold in strong, Apple historically tells me this is going to be a good 2 weeks, and then you want to sell out. The event is probably going to be a Monday, probably going to be September 8th. They're probably going to send out history says they're going to send out the invites this week. It could be today. They like to do stuff on Mondays. I don't know why. So this is buy the hype, sell the news trade for me. Not the long-term play on Apple.
What was nice about the Apple entry today was if you look at the daily, right off that bull flag, and like I said earlier, it was a 50% retrace, almost to the penny from that 223 low to that 229 or so high. So very nice technical entry there. I feel like the more the SPY chops this week, the more bullish I'll be on Apple in a way. But if other stocks start picking up a little bit.
I think we chop until Wednesday, to be honest. I think there's a lot of money waiting to be deployed once NVIDIA earnings are out.
Yep. I agree with that 100%.
But if that's do see a good setup, I'm all over it. Don't get me wrong.
Oh, come on. We got to break range here. I'm not trading this garbage until we break range.
Yeah, we're looking at 6 million volume about 25 minutes into the trading day, which is not so great on spot.
Now they're going to try for higher. Let's see if they can do it. Give it some time. Give it some time. I think they're going to do it.
Can you take me higher?
And that's gonna be stuck in your head all day. There you go.
Oh, yeah. It will be.
Been talking about this name for a while. Ticker NU. It is getting a really nice breakout finally here. It is breaking the top of this daily range of resistance that was around that $14. Looking very, very nice. See if you can get a little bit of continuation up to, closer to $15, honestly, but daily's looking really good.
I think he's going to try higher here.
Wiki price action on SPY cues. And WM, a little bit of weakness.
I would say they try for that orb high, 518 on NQ. And here we go. Like I said, I believe they were going to try for higher. They're trying for it now. 10 more points for the high. Let's see. 507, 508. Yeah, here it goes. They almost got there. They were, 3 points away?
NVIDIA touching green a little.
Here's anyone his thoughts on that.
I think it wasn't working, that's why. Just wondering why I couldn't hear anyone.
Just as much, if not more, crypto than you, and I've definitely lost a lot less. So.
Here's that orb high.
Oh, man.
So I don't know who said it first. It might have been Stock Talk. Somebody on Stock for Spaces. It might have even been Evan. But the only level that really matters for Bitcoin, and again, and I say that this is the most important level with full confidence, it's around 66,500. I'll find the precise level for you in a second. But this is MicroStrategy's average cost. I'm not necessarily saying they'll be liquidated if it reaches this price, but they will be a little pinched. And because he's refinanced the company and bought more Bitcoin with it and created so much leverage over and over again, if he was forced out of that position, it could get a little shaky over there. But I think as long as Bitcoin stays above 66,000, we'll start to see it slowly trade higher for the next couple months.
I mean, but if you're a trader over an investor, are you really going to absorb a 50% pullback on your profits? I mean,
Well,
for investors, sure, we'll just add every month. But like for shorter term traders, I wouldn't say it's a time to start buying personally.
Spy new high, Q.
Ooh, yeah, SPX looking good.
Yep.
SPX looking real good.
Nvidia ripping. Nike.
There we go. There's that that orb high breakout I talked about.
Back to the highs. I needed Nike to pull back a little bit more so I can get back in. All right, there's Monday high. We're at the 644.6 level. Watch this spot here.
we did have some homes data that came in a little above expectations. New home sales a little above. Won't affect too much of the market.
There's equilibrium.
Rejected 540 on NQ. Also rejected 200 SMA 532 on the 5 minute.
Monday high rejection to the penny on spot. Look at this smack.
Yep.
And we go back down, ladies and gentlemen. That was a really good run up.
Smacked her good.
This is what we call trappy.
Yeah, Gav, to answer your question more, I guess more in depth from my point of view, at least, we'll definitely see a lot of the core L1s and other alts like Pump for sure. I think you're going to see a lot of the garbage be really sifted out though this time around. A lot of these vaporware protocols that just aren't really producing anything, just because there's so much dilution in the crypto market. We're not going to see a run up for every single thing like it happened in 2020, 2021. I just think that was a true black swan, kind of not really really out there, out of the ordinary. So I just think that a lot of the winners will be decided here, especially a lot of the ones that are generating substantial revenue over the ones that sit there and produce nothing. So we'll definitely see though.
My honest thoughts are 99.99% of these crypto tokens are going to do horrible. Crypto is going to be used by a lot of traditional companies to make them more efficient. The SoFi's, JP Morgans of the world, they're going to shift that way, eat it all up. And the Bitcoins, the Ethereums of the world I think are going to be extremely, extremely successful off of it. Stable coins, whatever in it. But 99, pretty much everything these people talk about today are perfect. We'll see. But that's where I'm also putting my money into it. That's why I'm only keeping it at the top. But my thesis is crypto is not something that's going to create a whole new set of industries and companies or whatever. The largest companies in the world are going to utilize the technology to make them better and more efficient and more profitable.
I agree with 99% of that, Evan. Definitely. The 1% difference there would be the D10 sector, but I know you and I have talked about that.
Yeah, there's definitely nuance in there, which I don't fully know and understand, and there's definitely a place to make money in there, but we'll see.
Oh, 100%. No. Both of us could be wrong, right? We'll see what happens.
Watch ticker U. Unity Software is going to squeeze on the 5, 15, and 30 minute here.
I love some U.
Yep.
Yeah. $40 break this week. That's what
I know.
I'm just waiting. So we got that orb
Wicks on the
high.
15 minute. They freaking bought that dip this morning. It's back up. It's a volume point of control right here.
Come on.
Maple, what do I do? I don't know what to do here. I need your help. No, he's busy making money. He can't.
No.
My personal thought.
Yeah.
IRAN, go.
Someone said that IREN is running. That has some really good call flow last week on some. Let's see. Oh yeah, above previous day high here. Nice reversal.
As it's close to that 340 level, if I see it breaking a hold of that, I'm gonna take some
I
calls.
know. I'll keep watching it. Like this freaking do it, Tesla. Nike about to go hit 80.
Oh, thank you. Pop, 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 pop. Get over the 540. Get over 540. We go to 599. And here we go.
You just asked, and then someone just joined the spaces, so maybe that's your answer. What's up, Minx?
Oh no.
Oh, Minx is here. Oh, Jesus Christ.
The timing of that is uncanny.
Oh man, look at the time. I have to go. Actually, guys. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Me too.
No, you don't. I'm actually long.
Hey. Ooh. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good.
Well, if Minx is long, I'm long.
Hey,
Well,
Nancy.
Hi. I longed at 5:15, so.
Good. I like that. I'm long 519.
Damn it, why the hell did I start pulling back as soon as I joined spaces? I think there's something there. I was up 27 points and I'm only up 19 now.
Yeah, we have to clearly break above this 540.
Google's been showing some nice relative outperformance today, and Qs are in close to the green on the day. They're down just one down.
Let's go. Fill that gap. Yeah, got a stop loss in profit, so I don't care what happens right now.
Order field. Well, this 540 is a big spot, so need to break above that.
Oh, SoFi, I'm about to be up 100% on equity.
On Equita.
She's popping. Yeah, those $30 calls that they were smacking last week. Let's see, I'm up 99.15% on SoFi.
Every stock you talk about, Casey, is my favorite charts. We
Let's
definitely
go.
have some similar trading styles.
Let's go.
Sophie.
Sophie.
SoFi looking so fine.
Oh. Let's see if there's any flow.
Yeah, pretty nice bounce back here across the board. Palantir just popped back up. It's now down less than 3%. It was down 5%. Hood, small pop back. And then Google, really nice push to high day right there.
There's tons of orders still on SoFi, $30 calls for October 17, 2025. Just repeated orders over and over again.
Google's like maybe $1 from all-time highs, a little bit less.
I like Google if we can break that all-time high again because we peaked over on Friday and then pulled back. So like if we get a secondary push over those previous all-time highs, we could get a nice little push there short term.
Amazon's getting a candle right now to the upside. Apple just
Okay, here goes NQ.
time to go. Unity new highs. Tessie, come on, push it.
Tessie, still the third of my contracts, $120 a contract.
What a G. Tessie. Let's go, Tessie. Come on.
Go push it.
Is Jordan locked in right now?
I think he's on another. He'll be here in like 20 minutes.
Nice.
He's locked out of heaven.
Oh. Let's see, SPX. Come on, what do you got for me?
NDX, I got into a put spread. Let's see. Let's see Qs for people who want Qs.
Dan Niles is on CNBC right now. Ooh, nice move.
Gotta hold this 540. Zeta, red to green. Nice pop. Rivian's pumping. Market leader, Rivian.
So SoFi just hit a new high from the last 5 years or something. Very close to all-time highs, not quite. We broke that high from the earnings little pop here. And we pulled back. We're breaking it again. Now I think all-time high seems pretty inevitable. Of course, anything can happen. The market could turn, but it really looks strong to me for that 28.
Hey, for Qs, I sold the put spread, sold the 567 puts, bought the 564 puts for today. So I don't want Qs to go under 567. And our low of the day was 569.16. We could see a little pullback here. Back into 520. If we hold that 520, I'd be long if we do get that pullback.
Why can't we just get up to 565?
I just took a
Right.
starter on the SPY 644 put at 72 cents.
Minx, I want 599.
Just on 565 and then pull back and then I don't really care if it goes up.
Unity above volume point control. JNIA is ripping above previous week highs. Still want to see those that $9 call get in the money if anyone's still in the swings there. Looking very good this morning.
Okay, I would just like to know. Go ahead.
No, you're good. Go ahead.
No, I was going to tell a joke. Go ahead.
Our SoFi swings from Wednesday power hour, we bought in here the 919. It's just I'm down to 10 on a 90%. And maybe it was Wednesday more. I don't know. It was Stream Wednesday last week, one of the streams that we bought them. Well, I bought them.
All right, let's hear the joke now.
Yes.
Well, I don't know.
Micro ascending wedge on SPY here, testing the supporting trend line.
I get it. The stakes are higher now.
Half of my contracts here.
Nice.
Scaled half at 83 cents. I lied to you, 84.
I've been adding a little bit of SoFi recently, commons though. A little bit more of like a longer term swing.
Stop set to entry.
Okay. Gold is pushing higher.
My cost basis is $12.90.
SoFi?
Yeah.
Mine is 2150 something, 2120, 2150, somewhere like that.
Oh, there it is, SoFi, 100% on equity.
Sophie.
So
And Q is trying to hold that 200 SMA in the 5 minute at 5:30 there. Just had a nice wick. And we are green on the candle now.
and it's gone.
And she's dead. New highs. And Q.
I can tell
Tesla
my joke
new
now.
high today.
Oh, not yet. Almost.
Oh.
I said I wanted 565, and if we get there, I'm going to ask if the market maker and the audience will please stand up. So,
Please stand up. Please stand up.
he knows
So
what
I taken out the other half of my contracts at entry. Sorry, Minx.
No, sorry. It's okay.
Yeah, Minx, what the fuck?
And you guys know I don't like going long.
I think that's why they're playing with you right now.
At 568, if we reject, that's where I would take a short.
The good old reverse.
Yeah, just for, for a little bit. Fill that gap.
Okay, 560s for you.
Which more?
And there's our little reversal there. It was starting to get weak. You just tell by the candles. So 530 and 520 need to hold on NQ. SPY was not moving like NQ was. Same thing with IWM actually.
Q's definitely a lot stronger. I mean, Tessie had that really good reversal off the low. Amazon's still holding up decent. Microsoft just made a new high. So tech, I think, is kind of slightly stronger, making Q's have that relative strength over SPY right now.
Yeah, SPY's still stuck in that trash bag range, so not.
Walmart is in a squeeze down here on these lows. Let me see, it's on the hourly chart, basing at the same spot. Trying to get a little bit of a ripper upside here.
Netflix has gone straight up today. 35 points.
Crazy.
Straight up.
Urgent repeater call flow, Apple 230 calls for 9/12 expiration.
Been a slow morning. Slow.
IREN is still going, now at 4% on the day.
Holding that 200 SMA so far on NQ. 530 area still. Again, it's just quiet. Just gotta be patient, man. Be patient. This is a slow day. We had a little ramp up, but that's about it. Nothing else has happened.
We gotta fill this 10-minute 20 EMA on SPY. Right now, we're just stuck in the orb range. They swept the orb high. We're breaking mid-orb. This is a good scale-out area for shorts from the orb high. Next target would be a new low of day or below. But no bias, of course.
Yep. And we just held that orb high. There we go. 20-point sweep, 20-point bounce. Here, 1244. Here, 1244. Okay. Oscar coming back up, curling up.
You got big divergence overall because Volti's been below the zero line since the open, and it rejected at 950, and just been selling lower ever since. Volti Q has been positive since the open, and actually moving up higher all morning. So it's definitely not my cup of tea to be trying to trade Spire Qs right now. So I'm kind of focusing on these individual names.
Yeah.
Watch Hive. HIVE. I am in some call swings here, some $3 calls with some time. Would love to see this thing get a nice breakout.
I mean, look at it too. Look at NQ, then look at ES, and look at IWM.
Yeah.
It's like, yeah.
Mondays have been like this recently, though. Like,
Yeah, this past month, they've just been a chop fest, dude.
yeah. Mondays, I mean, I don't go balls to the wall on Mondays anyways. It's usually always sized down a little bit to start the week, and the same thing for Fridays. I think the best price action for me, majority of my money for trading is made Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I don't know about you guys, but for me, that's kind of my style.
So if I hit 26,
No, it did not. Don't make me sell. It just went 100%. I still didn't freaking sell anything. I'm just still sitting there. Let's go check. SoFi up 101.94%. Let's send it to 30. What's all-time highs? Like 28?
28 something, yeah.
Which one? Let me pull it up. 28.26. Oh, yeah. Oh, still breaking. Send her to the moon.
The girl's just cooking SoFi. Cooking.
Oh,
Mama,
Houdini.
Houdini. Haven't heard of Houdini in a while.
I know, I had to say it. SoFi calls up 40%. Nice job, Luke. Great job. Yeah, IREN is on a freaking on its air. Let me see if there's any other flow.
I should have longed Q's at or high, which I was talking about. Shit. It's a little shame on my end, but.
So for IREN, there's actually a lot of put selling, which is bullish. And then calls that came in at the ask, smaller size, but 27 and $28 calls for 9/5 expiration. But majority of it is looking like sold puts. Selling $13 puts for 10/3 expiration. What's UPST doing? UPST 4-hour chart looks pretty good right here. There's some repeated flow on $70 calls for 9/5 expiration.
Mic check.
Yes,
You guys
sir.
hear me?
Yo, what's up, Sniper?
You got super quiet, just making sure.
Yeah, it's a boring day today, you know?
It is.
Nothing too crazy. NQ's got the movement for sure. ES kind of stuck on VWAP.
It looks like NQ is going to try for highs. IWM, I mean, ES actually looks cleaner now, by the way. So, I do kind of like this. Ooh. Yeah, this is a slow one. Come on. Okay, NQ is not pushing higher. It's quiet. Too quiet. Holding the 9 EMA on the 5-minute as well as the 200 SMA on the 5-minute. Holding both there. I want to try along, but I also don't at the same time. What to do?
Open, getting the sticky with the blicky. Come on. But pre-market highs here. I'll turn my calls up. Probably the same. Let's see. Cheers.
Okay. I longed. Qs 572 calls. Wow, I just popped up. Looks like we're about to break out. Let's see that new high day. What do you hear? What do you say? Come on. Come on. Should see 599 in my opinion.
I'm alive.
Oh, yes. How are you, sir?
He's here, ladies and gentlemen. Alive. How are we doing? Beautiful Monday.
Yo, what's up, Jordy?
What's up, babe? I got long this morning off of 499.25.
Nice.
I was with the room this morning. My bad. I was streaming. I've already taken out majority of position, but I'm about to get full profit at previous 4-hour highs on NQ, which is 568. We're about to tap into that and get full TP, which will be 68 points. Full TP. I'll take it.
568, you said?
Baby. I know Mapes in there too.
Jordan,
No,
568?
I haven't really taken much. I mean, I hit long.
It's been a little choppy.
Yeah, I mean, I made the same mistake last week. I had one red day last week. It was on Monday. And I've taken 2 trades after the open. I'm still sitting in my Hero Zero puts. But other than that, I don't want to set an emotional kind of roller coaster for myself on a Monday, right? I want to take it easy.
I get you. I will say, my trigger happened at like 9:39 this morning. I took my trigger off that like 500 area, basically like 490s, and my stop was the low a day, and we drew down all the way almost to there. Basically, got very close to stop and drew down about 40 points or so, and then went right to target. So had to sit back and trust the model there for a minute. I thought it was gonna get stopped, but ended up working out all right.
All right, true line.
Set
Open calls here at 74.
for that.
Nice.
We have IB set. We'll see if that trades. I traded last night on my funded futures accounts, and then I traded all my Top Step accounts. The only thing I have left is Alpha Futures accounts, which I don't even have turned on for the IB strat. I might just leave it off right now, to be honest. I might be wrong, but it's hard for me to believe it's going to take another winner in a row, 7 in a row.
Oh, I have it on, Jordy.
Do you?
No, there was no gold last night, right?
What's that?
No gold trade?
No gold trade. No. I did have it on last night. I traded the gap fill last night short, though, on NQ.
Did you have long orb on?
Long what?
Long orb?
No.
Okay.
I don't have it on right now.
It only made me like $15.
It's better than none.
Oh, no, 100%.
But yeah, pretty choppy. I only did well because I caught the whole move to London High here.
Here goes
If I didn't
NQ.
catch any of that, I would have gotten
New high.
Oh, we're about to hit full target. Give it to me. Yes. 568. Go. Sack of shit. Go.
Sack of shit.
Dude, it is. It's been on this like slow grind up. We got a ton of efficiency to London High, and then all the efficiency just stopped. What are we doing? Stops moved up to 540 here. It needs to go to target, or I'm getting stopped at this most recent low right now. Pile.
There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go a little higher. Go a little higher.
Yes. Yes, sir. Give me full TP.
I'm trimming here. Trimming here on my longs.
I've been a good boy this year, Santa. Come on. Come on, Saint Nick. Edging it. 568. Come on.
Okay. I trimmed.
They're edging it. I move stop step even more. It needs to take it right now. It's ticks away, or I'm going to get stopped. No way. No.
What did I get? 597 to 596?
No way. It's okay. I moved stop step. 567. I need 568. 1 point, bro. Come on. Pile, bro.
Well, nice longs there. Q's went.
50% of previous 5 minute or 1 minute candle, and just give me the point.
Q's went
5-minute
20% there.
5-minute squeeze on Unity fired. Looks like the 15-minute is trying to fire as well, going up the previous day high here. Getting closer.
I didn't get
closer
the
to
1
40.
point. I got stopped in profit, but it's still a beautiful day. That was still like, that was 54 points in profit. I can't be mad.
Okay, I'm all stopped out too.
What the hell's a stop loss?
I had to. It's still going to go with these 4-hour highs, but I had to. Well, that's a done Monday. Oh, life is good.
Life is good.
Life is grand.
XRP Ripple just launched a credit card.
Oh shit.
Don't do it, guys. Don't do it.
It's top.
That makes sense.
Top. Top is
I took
crypto token
SPX
that no one buys.
6445 put.
I want you to know we're all cooked.
And the crypto and fear greed index is lower than it is in the stock market, which is pretty interesting.
Oh, I got amp on this copy traded shit now. Let's go. My boy's copy trading back and forth. Now let's go. Let's go. 2,800 before the kids wake up. You know.
That's a good day.
Light work on a Monday.
Nice.
Yeah, man.
Hell yeah.
Daddy's home.
Daddy's home. I'll be honest though, the fact that we are not breaking higher multiple times now is a little weak.
Yeah, I took my profit. We got a point from full target, and they didn't give it, and so I'm fully out, and I took the rest of my profit though.
A little
10
weak.
minute 20. This is that buyer's trailing stop here.
Heroes, my hometown hero. In my silo. Hope for guns. Eagle.
Wee bit weak. Wee bit weak.
Sometimes I wanna be trying. I'll do it again.
Yeah, I'm just sitting back now. We're through that first hour. Made some nice money in a couple trades. I don't know if I'll take anything else before lunch.
Nice. Yeah, I'm just sitting here.
It's a done day for me.
Man, SoFi's still ripping 26.35. Let's go, baby.
Hey yo.
Undies just popped too. Give me 40.
Yeah, 40. I'll take a trim at 40 on Undy.
Yeah.
I think shorts can work out on NQ if we close under the orb high 520.
Mm-hmm.
Here we go. Ooh, SPX. Saucy already.
Yeah, SPX and IWM are with
I'm
MQ.
with you, babe. I'm with you.
Yeah, I mean, I just feel like ES has stalled on VWAP for too long. I've seen this movie before. $100 per contract gain, SPX, sold half.
Knots, it looks like we need to we're under 50% retracement of IV. Looks like we might need to trade. We need to trade to the higher low for this triggers. So it's not going to trigger until the high or low is taken. So
Oh, on IB
yeah.
being wait, hold
So
on.
that's
Like
what I
the
figured out
518.
last week. That was the only thing I didn't understand about how it triggers. So it will not trigger off the midpoint unless IB high or IB low is taken first. So if IB low gets taken and you rebalance to 50%, it'll short. If IB high gets
Okay.
taken and you rebalance, it'll take it along.
Okay, I see it.
Because the idea is the probability of the trade taking it from midpoint is much lower if you've never rebalanced to either side.
Yeah, I see it.
That's the whole idea.
All right, 30% on open. I took a trim. I'm going to stop up.
Oh, don't tease me now. I see that 10-minute 200 EMA, 456 on ES. On SPY, that is 642.77.
Don't tease him now.
Just consolidating. Looks like we still want these 4-hour highs, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Haven't really broken anything significant that makes me change my mind.
Are doing pretty well here. Holding strong too. Look at this. Here we go. Now if we start to see some weakness again, I mean, IWM and ES are still not pushing through. Just something you don't want to see.
I have no reason to think we don't keep ripping here yet. So I still think we keep ripping.
I sold 5 more of those September 19th SoFi that I alerted Wednesday afternoon on Spaces, 225%.
Let's go.
Nice.
I'm down to 5 left, guys. About 20% of my original position.
Great job.
Yeah, we're still bullish.
Oh, Nixie agrees with me?
Oh, I was long.
You were long with me too? No way.
Well,
We could call her.
here.
We'll call her Mizzo.
Mizzo?
Yeah.
Mizzo's still sleeping. He was.
There might be some little short off the 4-hour highs, but
Of course, I got stopped out like right before this green candle hits SPX. Love that.
gotta love it.
And we're going for highs.
And one tick. One tick.
Yep.
Just a tick. Come on. Just a tick more.
And we got it.
And full TP hit.
we broke out of the initial balance as well.
OTP. Ooh, not on ES though. We are on NQ. Let's see if we break it on ES. If you break out of that IB high,
And there goes
back to
NQ
midpoint,
ripping.
you'll
Trying
go
to.
that long. NQ it. Much stronger today.
Shorts
Yes.
fumbled it, yeah.
4-hour highs taken now. Now shorts might be able to step in. We've seen accumulation. This could be manipulation of the 4-hour highs to now go lower and flip this 4-hour candle.
At this
red.
point, I think they're just going for 599.
Yeah, it just depends on what happens here. If we want to get displacement over this 4-hour high, then sure, we can go see Asia highs at 598. But I have a reason to believe that sellers want to step in over these previous highs until I'm shown different. Let's see here. Beautiful longs today, though.
It's a beautiful morning.
Yes, it is.
I should have been a singer.
A remainder of SPX there, small green trick.
No, you shouldn't have.
Whoa!
Wow. How to hit her with that?
Oh no, I love Minx.
Amp and I always, we break out, in a duo.
Hell yeah. All right, these open door calls are about to be at 40%. It's ripping here. Don't be greedy. Lock in some gains. But I would love to see this stupid name rip higher. It's the first time I've traded this name. This stock is up about, it's about to be up 14% on the day. Look at this bad boy go.
Open?
570 here. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Let's see. I'm closing some here. 43%. See if I get a fill. And they filled my order at 85 for 43%.
Nice.
I'm gonna close half here.
Let's go.
Even the Dow is weak. Dude, it is literally only NQ. NQ is like the only truly strong one. IWM is weak. ES still hasn't broken highs. We are living on tech stocks right now, today.
Yeah.
Wow. Oh, just chopping around.
All right, there's 15% on the day for open.
Nice.
Hive also new highs.
You said SPY hit new highs?
Hive.
Oh, okay.
Urgent repeated flow on MSTR. 350 calls for this week just came in. There is a gap to still fill upside. It's looking like a little bull flag here intraday. I really like this.
Musk's ex-AI sues Apple and OpenAI in U.S. court in Texas for allegedly violating antitrust law. Court violent. XAI is suing OpenAI.
That's crazy.
Oh, he really hates him.
Did you say X?
Yeah, like
As
Elon's
in
company.
Twitter?
Yeah.
We should have, so in that lawsuit, they should have both the AIs like represent both companies and go at it.
And see which one wins.
Yeah, I think that'd be awesome.
Wow, that would be a great idea.
High risk. I retook the 64.45 puts on SPX.
Okay.
Yeah, I
I've
think I'm
been
gonna be
yelling
done
at
for the
all
day
day.
here on trading. I'm just gonna vibe. Lost a little money.
Nothing wrong with vibing, bro.
Yeah, well, hit my stops. You know, it's all good. It's all good.
Yeah, but I just
Yeah, I
filled
mean,
everything out. I'm done.
Don't
as well.
press it. Yeah, last week a lot of traders were red just with the chop. My stuff was good. I didn't overtrade or anything. I knew that we would have better opportunity throughout the week, and I didn't want to expend too much mental capital, you know. So it's a good call there.
Exactly. If I want to go lose more money, I'll just go play like more poker down the street or something.
There you go, bro. Some bubble
Scott
crabs.
loves poker.
Take a good time.
Yeah, I had a terrible bad beat last week, Jordan. It was
Did
awful.
you?
It was a really bad run
Got
out.
smoked?
Yeah, I got smoked bad. It was not good. I could not catch a break. God pretty much told me to go home at that point. I was like, yeah, this is bad.
He said, "You're done."
It was worse. It was so like basically the final hand I played, like I had 2-pair and the top 2-pair, and the other guy had a 2-pair also, and he flopped a he rivered a boat. And I was like, okay, I'm done. This is it. I'm out of here.
This is it. We're just chop around ID midpoint.
Yeah, I can't do shorts here. I feel like on SPY, if we break and hold 644.40 on a 15-minute candle close, that we're gonna break bullish up to 646.30 or so. I've been listening. I know everybody's thinking we might come down here, and we could, but I can't see it.
Yeah, it's been strong as shit.
Yeah, like I've been bullish all morning. I'm technically not bullish since we took these 4-hour highs now, but it doesn't make me super bearish necessarily either until I see some more structure built here. So, but I can't press the longs over this high. But you never know. We haven't tapped Asia highs. We can go to 598 if they want to, for sure. Nothing saying that we can't.
That's what I'm looking for.
See now that we're coming into 11 Eastern, I need to see the bears kind of take more control to really want to take a short at this time of the day.
Exactly. Yeah. Fully agree.
I'm looking for 599.
He's looking for it.
Come on.
I'm gonna jump off though, guys. I'll see you guys for Power Hour
Sounds good.
live stream.
Sounds good, Emma Jamma. Have a
Take
good
care.
day.
Bye,
We'll
guys.
see you later.
Bye bye.
Just riding it up.
Gosh, rip ES today. You know, it's funny. I almost took the long on ES instead of NQ, and I'm really glad that I did not, because I would not have caught nearly as big of a move. We still would have went to Asia, London highs, but the move that ES caught versus what NQ.
You do all the automation on ES, right? Like everyone else. Okay.
They're all like IB, like they're all built for ES.
Yeah.
So I think things are being worked on to build it on NQ as well, but like it's the same shit. So I don't really care too much because it's
It's
even
money
though they're
going in your
correlated-
pocket anyway.
even though like they're the same and they're correlated, candlesticks will be slightly different, which means triggers will be slightly different. So it's not. I don't think it really works on NQ as good.
Yeah.
If you were trying to throw it on, but who knows? Just like the gold, like if you were to throw the gold one on NQ.
Oh no, yeah, they
What?
tested. Yeah,
But
like I told you, why the goal one works is he set it up for that.
yeah,
But yeah, they tested it live for others, and yeah, it doesn't work as well.
interesting. It's fine with me. I'm not biased really.
And here we go, new high. All right, I'm gonna hop off here. I will be back in a little bit. I have to go do something. So I will see you guys